5 years old. How old are you now, Tuki? 5. And 2 days or 1 day? So 2 hours?
Today.
5 today? So
hour.
Tuki is 5 years old. And we all know Tuki is a big baby for our family. How many down here?
12.
12 down. And I think Nauma was 10.
10.
So Tuki is a record at the moment, 10 down. Oh, we all clap for Tuki. And now it's probably, Tuki is probably 100 kilos now. I presume it's probably 25 kilos. And we say breastfeed for Tuki and we sing the song, alright? Now, you want to say something for Tuki? Or Tuki, you want to say something to mom and dad? Can say something?
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
I believe Tuki can say something.
Thank you.
Tuki, can you say something to mom and dad and say thank you for the cake? And, huh?
Thank you.
And thank you for 2 my babies. All right. In the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Andrew.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Toki. Happy birthday to you. Maluia loa sofana. Maluia loa sofana. Maluia loa sofana. Maluia loa sofana. Hip hip. Hooray! Hooray!
Tuki.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday